Filipino has values that shape who we are, the way we act, think, and treat others.
But sometimes those values can either lift us or pull us down.
Because not every habit we grew up with is good. Some hold us back from becoming better people.
Guys, bukas na ang deadline ng project natin. Kailangan natin tapusin to. Sige, after class na lang.
Relax mamaya na. Gagawin ko yung part ko mamaya. Promise.
Sinabi mo na rin yan kahapon.
You always wait until the last minute.
Fine. Gagawin ko yung part ko ngayon. Guys, I made adobo. Gusto nyo?
You should have brought pizza or burger. You know, something important.
Nung mali sa adobo, that's part of who we are.
Tama, being proud of our own doesn't make us less. It makes us more.
Wow! She won again. Nanalo lang siya dahil wow siya kang teacher.
It's not about that. Pinaghirapan ko lang talaga. Hey, tama na. Instead of pulling others down, why not push each other forward?
Exactly. If one of us win, we all win.
Hey, the new student is sitting alone. Let's invite her to join us.
Good idea. Hi, wanna sit with us?
Really? Thank you.
Welcome, you're part of the group now.
Guys, our original plan for the presentation didn't work. It's fine, this was just a lang. We can improvise some more.
What if mag-speak roles na lang tayo? Sa first part.
Let's try it. Kaya-kaya natin to. Ang hirap ng project na to. Pwede bang itigil na lang natin to ngayon?
No! Ang dami natin nagawa. Dapat tapusin natin ngayon.
Let's do one last push. We can all do this. See? Hard work always pays off.
Filipino values aren't perfect, but they make us who we are. We may fall into bad habits, but we can always choose kindness.
We can change, grow, and be the better version of ourselves.
Because being Filipino isn't just about culture, it's about character.
And in every act of respect, compassion, and love, we keep the Filipino spirit alive.